The amazing drama you're about to see is a matter of human record. You may believe it or not.
In the zone with the oscillating tool blades kit, DWA4216 from DEWALT.
This summer, we want to find out if this is the perfect set and what is the secret sauce behind the blades.
You'll find a scene like this in nearly every village, town, and city throughout the country. How do I know? Well, I'm a contractor, building new houses and remodeling old ones too.
So we bought the set for roughly $49. Link in the description below. Hey, let's do a case study.
Option 1.
And store the blades like a boss.
Option 2. Option 3. Featuring the Atomic 20-volt Max DCS 354 in the house. Our latest addition to the Atomic family.
Let's slice and dice some screws here. And about 30 seconds of continuous hammering, our ambitious co-worker takes over. Watch what happens. Yep, you see that right. He earns fame and glory.
He's done it! Nice work. You okay?
Totally okay. And you know what? Let's smoke some more. Well, that's smoking good. Let's check the blade. Still in a decent shape. And since we're here, let's find out how deep we can go. Not bad for $50, especially the titanium blade. It's a true killer. That's all for a day. I'm out. Deuces.